right, welcome to section 7. We're going to talk about lists. In this video, we're going to go over an overview of what we're going to be learning throughout the section. So the first tags that we're going to cover is UL, OL, LI, DIR, DL, DT, and DD, and then we're going to go over a summary of what we learned throughout the section. So that in mind, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about unordered list. So the UL element, or the unordered list, defines an unordered list. Okay, so let's write out the tag for this. So it's going to be UL. Okay, and then let's write it out here just so we know what it looks like. So just type out UL and then hit tab. So that is an unordered list. Now, in order to have a successful unordered list, you actually have to have another tag that we're going to talk about in upcoming videos, which is an LI tag, okay, which is a list item. So without that, you don't really get anything. But let's right click and open in the browser and just take a look at this and see where we're at. So you see nothing shows up because we haven't added the LI in there. All right, so that's the UL tag. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the ordered list tag. So the ordered list tag is similar to the unordered list tag, but the difference is the unordered list tag has a little dots by it, or bullets, and an ordered list has numbers. Okay, so let's type in OL here so we know what it looks like first. Okay, and then I'll give it a dash here, and then below that I'm going to do an OL tag. Okay, and like I said, the ordered list has numbers, so that's the difference between unordered list and ordered list. So if you need a list with numbers, you want to use the OL. If you need a list that's unordered and you just want bullet points, then use the UL. Okay, so that's the ordered list. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the list item. So the list item is the LI, which I briefly talked about before. And you need that in order to fill out the ordered list or unordered list. So let's type in LI, hit tab, and then move this down. And I'll give a little space in between here just so we can read this easier. And then let's add a list item to each. Let's add a list item to the unordered list. And then let's add a list item to the ordered list and see what the difference is. So right click, open in the browser, and you'll see the unordered list has a bullet point and the ordered list has a number. Okay. Now if I go to the ordered list and I add 2 more LIs, so list item 2 and then list item 3. Right click, open in the browser. It's going to number that 1, 2, 3. Okay. The unordered list is just going to be bullet points. So even if you have 10 list items, they're just going to be bullet points. So it really depends on what you need. And like I said, it's good to know both. Okay. So that is the list item. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about the description list. So the description list is DL. So what you would do is you would type in your brackets, do DL, and it defines a description list. Okay, so when I go below here and I do DL, hit tab, now you have a description list. Okay, now some of the options that you're able to do with that is the DL tag is used in conjunction with the DT, defines terms and names, and DD describes each term and name. Okay, so the only way to utilize that is to use the other tags that we're going to be talking about in the upcoming videos. So what we'll do is we'll talk about all 3, and then I'll come back and we will finish this up. Okay, so that's the DL tag, which again is a description list, and it works with the DT tag and the DD tag, which is term and name for a description list and term and name for a description list for the DT and the DD. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the dictionary list. So the dictionary list is the dir tag. Okay. So if I go down here and we type in dir, and one thing I'm going to tell you about the dictionary list is that it's not supported with HTML5, and they recommend to use the a UL or an unordered list instead of the dictionary tag. But I'm going to show you anyway what it looks like when you use it, if it lets me. Okay. So I take that back. So the dictionary list is not supported by HTML5, but I just wanted to show you that so you understood that that was an option. Okay. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Come back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the DT tag. Okay. So if I go here and we do the DT tag, okay, and then we come down here and just type it out, hit tab. Now it's kind of like a list item, you know. It's just for a description list instead of a unordered list or an ordered list. Okay. So it'll do the same things, but it's a different type of thing that it will do. So that is and so let me give you the definition of DT. So it defines a term name in a description list. Okay. So again, let's put this inside the DL or the description list and just do DT. This is a term name. Okay, and then right click and open in the browser just so you can see what it looks like. And what do we get? This is a term name. Okay. So that's how you utilize it with the description list. So we can add one more here. This is a second term name. Okay, right click open in the browser. Okay, so on and so on. So on and so forth. So that's how you use the term name to work with the description list. Okay? So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the DD tag. So the DD tag defines a description of a term name in a description list. Okay, so it's going to be a left bracket DD and then a right bracket, and this is an open and close tag. So if I type in DD and hit tab, now we have a description, and we can add that to the DL or the description list and do DD there, tab it. This is a description. Right click open in the browser. And now you have, this is a description. So that's how you utilize the DL tag, the DT tag, and the DD tag together. All right. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations on finishing section 7 and lists. In this video, we're going to go over a summary of what we learned throughout the section. So in the first couple of videos, we covered the unordered list, which is the UL tag, the ordered list, which is the OL tag, and the LI tag, which is the list tag. Then we talked about the directory tag, the directory list, and then DT and DD. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.